I know it sounds simple, but you wouldn't believe how many people mess up when cooking pasta. To cook perfect pasta, start with lots of water. I use about 1 gallon of water for each pound of pasta. The more water, the better. If you use too little water, the pasta will be starchy. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Then add a couple of tablespoons of salt and about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The oil will help the pasta from sticking together while it cooks. This is particularly important with long cuts of pasta like spaghetti and angel hair. Add all the pasta at once. This helps the pasta cook evenly and prevents uneven hardness. Stir the pasta to separate the strands. Keep the water boiling the entire time. Stir it several times during the cooking process. Test pasta for doneness after 8 minutes and cook longer if necessary. Thicker pastas will take longer to cook, and tubular pastas will actually cook faster. Never overcook pasta. We want the pasta tender with a little crunch in the center. Pasta that sticks to a wall is not a good test for doneness. When the pasta is done, strain it immediately into a large strainer or colander. We can add this cooked pasta directly to the sauce, but it's okay to rinse the cooked pasta with hot water to get rid of some of the starch. Strain the pasta and rinse it immediately with lots of cold water. This will shock the pasta and stop it from cooking. Then drain the pasta and toss with vegetable oil. Cover it with plastic wrap to keep it from drying out. I hope these simple tips help you the next time you cook pasta. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometime, and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select the recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.